Hi, my name is Anya. Today I really want to make a vanilla sponge cake with a blue ombre frosting. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload every day, Monday to Friday. In a bowl with 3 cups of flour, add in 1 pinch of salt and 2 teaspoons baking powder. Mix and set aside. In a bowl with 1 cup of butter, add in 1 cup of sugar, mix until light and fluffy. Add 1 teaspoon vanilla essence to 1 cup of milk and mix until well combined. Add the dry ingredients in 3 batches and add the milk and vanilla mixture in 2 batches, starting and ending with the flour mixture. Beat 1 cup of egg whites until stiff peaks form. Add the stiff egg whites to your mixture and mix until smooth. Pour your mixture into prepared tins and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 27 minutes, or until a toothpick comes out clean. To a half a cup of warm water, add in 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Mix until well combined. To our whipped cream frosting, which I'll link, add a few drops of blue food coloring. Have 1 shade of blue darker than the other shade of blue. Layer your cakes by laying your cake. Spread over your simple sugar mixture. Then some frosting. Then some strawberry jam. And then another layer of cake. Spread over your simple sugar mixture. Then some frosting. Then some strawberry jam, and then another layer of cake, and go around the edges with your darker color first and then your lighter color. Then with a cake scraper, go along the edges just to smooth it out a bit. Then add your white on top and bring that down a little. And ta-da, you have an ombre effect. Add some sprinkles on top. And enjoy your ombre frosted cake.